Hi there. Today's teaching tip is not from my Toyota because we were home for a remote learning day because we had a storm today. So coming to you from my kitchen dining area. Today's tip is about whiteboards. I've seen a lot of teachers get very stressed out about whiteboards and not having the right number of erasers and markers and whatnot. Well, one thing that might ease your concerns about that is that there's so many things you can use as an eraser on a mini whiteboard. You can use tissues, you can use cut up pieces of dishcloth, you can use sponges that you've taken and cut into small chunks. It doesn't have to be expensive. Paper towels work great. Last resort, kids don't mind using their hand, even though that's not the best. But tissues in a snap always work. Also, if you don't have the whiteboards, you can use the dry erase markers on desks, on tables. They will wipe off. They'll leave a little bit of a shadow of where they were. So the Expo marker spray works great to get that off. But kids love writing on desks and the tables. And they think they're getting away with something really bad when they're actually doing something academic. So that's often engaging for students. So just know that there are ways to get around not having whiteboards and also not having erasers. And you should really use them because they get kids to respond more often because they're not permanent and kids don't worry about making mistakes, and it gives everybody a chance to respond.